All right, guys, if you were not here this week, really quick, this is what I need you to know. Every week, I'm going to post a week of, and then everything you need to know will be in there. I have my office hours, Zoom, extra assignments, the slides for the week, the videos, the story, the questions, everything you need to know is going to be in there. So really quick, here's something new that you guys have never done before. It's the slides for the Pear Deck. So what you're going to do, it's going to look a lot like the slides that we've used in class. The only difference is it's interactive. So you're going to go ahead and view assignment on that. You're going to sign in just like you always do with your Google account. So go ahead and get in there. Once you get in there, it's going to have a do now, just like we always do in class. Give me 2 seconds while this loads, and then I'll walk you through what it's going to look like. How are you feeling today? Feeling great. You can skip it. Do whatever you got to do. It actually tells me in there like how you're feeling for the day, so it's kind of funny. So this is the last slide actually. So I'm going to go to the first slide. So here's your do now. A quote, just like always, I became insane with long intervals of horrible sanity. Answer the questions. What can we think or know about the person who said this? I think this person is probably crazy. What do you imagine today's story will be about? I think today's story will be about an insane person who might do something wrong due to his disease. Obviously, I know what the story is about. I'm not going to post that because then it'll give me extra stuff in the answers. But anytime you see this pair, you probably have something to do on the slide. So the next slide, it's going to be today's agenda, just like always, kind of walks you through exactly what we're doing. And then right here, online learning expectations. There's a video in the Google Classroom as well. I just realized that light in the background is like terrible. All right. So go ahead and agree to these terms so I don't have to call home. Scroll through the deck. Like I said, every time you see a little pair in the corner, except for this one, follow the instructions. That's all you got to do. But when you get to like the end, it's going to say, like, tell somebody what you did in class today. Just write a brief summary of what we did. Technically, the classes for the week. That's really it, guys. Pretty simple. Just make sure you do the slides because it is part of your classwork homework. So I know that you know what you are doing, and I can give you grades for do nows and stuff like that. Right on. Have a good week. Reach out and email if you need me or have questions or anything like that.